reason why would we like to delete our account. When our Android phone does not charge, it can stop us from using it at the very worst time. So if we do not fix it quickly, the battery may drain completely. So let's try out these fixes for it. So for that, the first thing we can do is we can just go and hold the power button and look out for the restart option. And once we complete this process, that should completely clear out the temporary system glitches that may be causing the issue. You can check it out, or you can pull down your notification panel once you connect your charger, and there you can select charging or charge only from the USB options. Apart from that, you can go to your settings and scroll down and look out for the option for software update. And once you are headed over there, you can tap on download or install, and you can just go and install the latest software for your device. This is possible. Or what you can do is you can just go over and tap on general management and look out for the option of reset. And within here, we can tap on this option of reset app preferences or all settings and tap on it. Or at last resort, you can even perform a factory data reset and confirm it up. That should work out for you. You can follow up that process. If wireless charging works, the charging port may be damaged. Sometimes you can avoid charging with very cheap cables. Do not use phones while charging, and if nothing works, visit authorized service center. And that's it. Also, you can try using a different charging cable or use a toothpick or soft brush to clean the charging port, and that should work out for you. Usually, those are probably the fixes you can follow up. Now we have fixed Android charging issues, so we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.